Hi everyone, welcome back to FixBond. If you are a drone pilot, you already know the absolute nightmare of a bulging battery. It won't even slide into the drone anymore, making it completely useless. But today, I'm going to show you how to not only revive a swollen battery but actually upgrade its capacity so your flight time skyrockets. We are taking a mummified, swollen 3850 mAh battery and upgrading it to a premium high-rate grade 4500 mAh large capacity cell. This means more hover stability, more punchy power, and extra minutes in the air for those perfect long-distance aerial shots, without constantly worrying about your battery percentage. In this video, I will walk you through a fully standardized, professional process. We'll safely crack open the shell using a knock knife without damaging the delicate ribbon cables, clean the housing, re-weld the protective management board, and reinforce the insulation. But here is the most critical step. We will recalibrate the battery chip so the drone identifies the new capacity. Perfectly zero error codes, and no power lockouts. If you want to unlock the true potential of your drone and get more years out of your gear, this ultimate restoration and upgrade guide is for you.